Welcome back to the Mini Performance Workshop. This afternoon we've been working on the clubby estate. You can see behind me bleeding the brakes. Jobs to do on Bumblebee today are these brackets that I made previously, which is that one there and that one there, and those two there need a bit of tartification. So these ones will get the corners, sharp edges taken off and rubbed down and painted. That one needs a bit more work to make it look a bit neater, and then these two under here need some speed holes drilling in them to make them faster. So that'll be this afternoon's work, just working on those. That one's a bit more awkward. Okay, that's those brackets painted, hanging up on the lift. They're not the best. There's something reacting on the surface of the aluminium with the paint, and it's just almost just like running off, but it'll do for what it is. And if it's that bad, I can always rub it down and put some more paint on it afterwards, just to improve it where it's visible. But that'll do for now. Next video we'll be working on an entirely different bracket. So as per normal, like, comment, subscribe, all the usual jazz, and I will see you next time.